Good morning, everyone. This is your subject Physical Education of class 12. Today we are going to do chapter number 6, lecture number 3. The name of the chapter is Taste and Measurement in Sports. Right? So, in the last lecture, we are talking about measurement of cardiovascular fitness. We are going to continue with the same topic. The next measurement of cardiovascular fitness is Rockport test, right? So, before starting the discussion on test, we are going to understand what cardiovascular fitness test is, right? Cardiovascular fitness is the ability of the heart and lungs to supply oxygen-rich blood to the working muscle, tissue, and the ability of the muscle to use that oxygen to produce energy for movement, right? So, when we talk about cardiovascular fitness, here we are only talk about ability of our heart and lungs because these both organs help us in providing oxygen rich blood which is used by the working muscle so that we can do better workout, right? This type of fitness is required to sustain physical activities, or it can be said that cardiovascular fitness is essential for us to perform aerobic activities, right? So, the second test is Rockport 1 mile test Rockport, right? It is also known as Rockport Fitness Walking Test. This test is suitable for sedentary individual. The objective of this test is to check or observe the development of the individual's VO2 max, that is maximum volume of oxygen, right? Equipment which are required are 400-meter track, stopwatch and weighing scale, right? Now the procedure: first, while conducting or administering this test, it should be a wellness day, right? Second, first of all, take the body weight of the individual on a perfect weighing machine, right? Third, the weight should be taken with minimum cloth on body of the individual, right? Fourth one, then mark the starting point on a 400-meter track 1 mile, that is 1609 meter, right? Fifth, the individual has to run the distance of 1 mile, that is 1609 meter in minimum time, right? Sixth, so record the time of 1 mile with a stopwatch. Immediately after finishing the 1 mile walk and run, record the heart rate beat per minute with manual or monitor method, right? Now the calculation of VO2 max. The formula is given, this the formula, and you have to put it weight is given here, right? Where body weight is in pounds according to the gender which is given there in the formula, right? If an individual male, then it will be written 1, and if individual is the female, then it will be written 0, right? Time is the minute and 100 of minute, right? Heart rate is in beat per minute and age is in year, right? So, if individual is 6 year, 10 year, 15 year and 20 year, this how you going to put it, right? After calculating the VO2 max, the comparison of the individual can be done with the result of previous test. it is expected that with appropriate training between each test, the analysis will surely indicate the improvement of the individual, right? Means, so how it is done, that it is the kind of pre and post test which is taken. You need to take a test first. When you provide that individual with some training so that she can enhance cardiovascular fitness, and after that again you can take a post test which will be actually give you or easily evaluate the cardiovascular fitness, right? Now the advantage. First, minimum equipment are required. Second, it is simple to set up and conduct. Third, it can be conducted by the athlete, right? Fourth one, this test can be conducted on more than one individual at a time, right? Thank you very much.